Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse, back again with another hot item to unbox. This time it's the Lenovo 500 FHD Webcam. Okay, so everybody needs a webcam. Everybody watching this has probably got their laptop, they're on conference calls, a lot of people are working from home. This has been a really hot item. Now there's a bunch more in stock and we're selling them to a lot of our customers. They want to upgrade their conferencing call capability. And this one, the Lenovo 500, is built specifically for Microsoft Teams. Of course it's going to work with everything, but let's unbox it, talk a little bit more about it, and see what it looks like. So a lot of you that have been watching my channels, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, you know, I've started to do a series on what's cool about 5G. Well, I decided, and the team around me decided, hey, it's time, Thomas, to upgrade your video call quality for recording those what's cool about 5G videos. So here we go. Sent me a Lenovo 508 FHD camera. So let's look at it, get it unboxed before I start using it full time. So what do we have in here? First of all, it's a cable, and I think this thing supports USB-C and USB-A. So let's see what kind of cable we have here. So it's USB-C here, USB-A on this side. So let's see what's on what the camera looks like itself. Okay. Oh right, so it has a clip to go on the laptop. All kinds of capabilities here, like this. It's gonna squeeze on the laptop. We're gonna plug the USB-C in the back, and USB-A into your either laptop or desktop. What else? See what else is in the box? Just the packaging and a couple manuals. So let's get the plastic off here, talk a little bit about the camera. So a couple features of this camera. First of all, it does have a built-in shutter shield on the top, so you can physically block the camera when you don't want it on, which is fantastic. See, little red thing goes away. People like that. Also, it has infrared, so it supports Windows Hello, so you can log in, you know, with your face to open your computer, which is fantastic. Very secure way and easy way to get it into your to log into your computer. But the most important thing, it's going to be easy to install, and it's going to be FHD quality, USB-C to USB-A, and hopefully it looks great with better lighting than you know, your standard webcam. Hey everybody, so I thought it'd be interesting to try to film the difference in the camera, so I got it installed up here. If you can see it, let's see, it's kind of dark. There it comes. So there's the camera, the new one. I have it on the laptop. See if we can focus. Looks great. Just kind of hooks on the back there. But right now I'm shooting the video on my laptop with the built-in camera. You can see the light here. So you can see the quality here. Things are kind of blurry. On the sides, here's a picture of me and my wife, and here's her in her high school days, I think. But now I'll switch it to the FHD camera. Let's do the swap here. Wait for the new FHD camera to kick in. Okay. Come on, FHD camera. I can see the light on up here, but I'm not getting any video. There it comes. Okay, that took a second. Yeah, so you can see the light on the FHD camera here, and you can see how much sharper the pictures are on the corner there. I don't know if you can tell, my face looks a lot sharper. So I think it went from, you know, the standard HD, probably 720, up to the 1080 full HD. So I think it looks a lot better. Hopefully you guys can see the difference, and when we get ready to shoot our next what's cool about 5G video on Zoom, this should be the camera that's ready to go. So again, just quick before and after here. Thought everybody appreciate that. Flip right back to the front-facing camera. So if you can see the difference now between the built-in laptop camera and the new FHD camera. So that's it. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll check you guys all next time. Bye.